Oh, it's rolling.
What's rolling?
It's the camera's rolling.
The film.
Like you're actually
Oh,
you're
the
live.
film is rolling. We're live.
We're live.
We're live.
And it's where are we? What are we doing here? Who are you?
I don't know. I just saw all these chocolates, so I came in.
I know. I like the chocolates too.
I thought we were out of these. Didn't we give these all away in the mystery
thought we
boxes?
did. I think didn't people complain they didn't get chocolates? Anyways, I don't know.
Well, we found your missing chocolates.
Yeah. Anyways, I'm Jordan from Rapido.
I'm Natasha from Rapido.
And we're looking at our February order deadlines, and we have several, so let's get right to it. What do we want to start with first?
Let's start with the Northeastern Caboose.
That's a good one to start with. This is actually a first-run Northeastern Caboose. We have a new run of both the originals. This is the original Duria underframe. This is a cushion underframe version of the Caboose that we've got new run of paint schemes and road names for. And we also have a new tooling version of the Northeastern, which has the standard underframe and also has the round portholes on the window. Those are the distinctive features of that.
That's a pretty good looking caboose.
It is, and you will need one for your layout. I don't know if you need one for your layout. Do you have a layout?
I don't.
Yeah.
Maybe I should hire a guy to make one.
Yeah, we better get on that. We're supposed to be doing that anyway.
Yeah.
I think he's coming in tomorrow. Anyways, let's get on to the next order deadline for this month. What do we want to talk about next? How about this one?
Oh, yeah. The F40 PH?
-2.
D?
Correct. We've got a new run of the F40 PH-2Ds. These are Via's rebuilt F40s.
These are really nice, but aren't they rebuilding these again?
They are actually. Maybe we'll see them this year.
Maybe we
Who
will.
knows? All right. That's the Via F40 PH-2D. Let's move over to something from New York. We've got the Bud M3 railcars. What do you think of the Bud M3 railcars? You ever ridden on one?
I have not actually. I love them. Does it come with a pizza rat or no?
We could maybe get someone to print one off and put it in the box.
Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe you got to talk to Bernard from Mini Prints or something.
You can do that for us.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
These are really nice cars, I think. These would look really good in N scale, don't you?
They would. They'd look amazing in N scale. Maybe we could do those one day.
Yeah.
Now, speaking of N scale, we have an N scale order deadline coming up on 15th, 16th, 16th, 15th.
The Ides.
I should check the document. Did you check the document?
I should also check the document.
Anyways, that is our N scale Comet car new release. These are first release samples from our first release about 5-6 years ago now, and we've got a new run with new paint schemes, including the very cool MBTA America 250 car.
A lot of detail on these tiny little guys.
Yeah, a lot of detail, tons of detail.
Were people asking about that one at Springfield?
They're asking for it in HO because it's been like a long time, 6 years I think since our last HO run. Maybe we should get Bobby on that.
Maybe we should.
We should. All right, so that's a look at the Comets. And we have one more big order deadline that we just don't happen to have a sample for here.
Yeah, I don't see it.
Yeah, it's still buried in our shipment from Springfield. But that is our new release of HO scale Bud coaches.
So we're finally closing the Bud coaches.
Yeah, it's been only 3.5 years.
I think that's when I started.
Like that. I think we had an order deadline 2 years ago.
Oh my God.
I don't know. Something like that.
They're coming.
They are coming, finally. They're going into production. Well, the steam heated cars will go into production first, and then when we get the first tooling samples of the HEP cars, they will also go into production, and I'm sure we'll have another video showing those off.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, of course.
We'll definitely show those off.
Definitely. I mean, you have to have something to run with your F40s.
Yeah.
And maybe some LRCs one of these days, too.
Well, you did really good today.
Did I?
There you go.
It's gold chocolate worthy?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
Lunatics!